In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use clipping boundary in AutoCAD step by step, so you can quickly control exactly what part of an image, block, xref, or viewport you want to display. This is a really useful tool when your drawing is getting crowded, or when you only want to show a specific area without changing the original object itself. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open AutoCAD and load the drawing you want to work on. Once your file is open, take a moment to find the object you want to clip. This could be an inserted image, a block reference, an external reference, or even a viewport, depending on what you're editing in. The important thing is to make sure the object is selected before you start the clipping process. Next, go to the command line and type xclip, then press enter. In some cases, AutoCAD may use a specific version of the command depending on the object you were clipping, such as xclip for external references, imageclip for images, or vpclip for viewports. The workflow is very similar in each case, so don't worry if you see a slightly different command name. After you start the command, AutoCAD will ask you to select the object. Click the object you want to clip, then press enter to confirm your selection. This tells AutoCAD exactly which item you want to apply the boundary to. Once the object is selected, AutoCAD will prompt you to choose a clipping option. At this stage, select New Boundary. This is where you define the shape that will control what part of the object remains visible. After that, AutoCAD will ask you to choose the boundary type. If you want a simple box-shaped clip, choose Rectangular. Then click two corners to define the rectangle around the area you want to keep visible. This is the fastest and most common option when you just need a clean, straight-edged boundary. If you need a custom shape, choose Polygonal instead. With the polygonal boundary, you can click multiple points around the area to build a more detailed shape. This is especially helpful when you want to follow an irregular edge or isolate an exact portion of the object. As you place the points, make sure each click is positioned carefully so the boundary matches the area you want to preserve. When you finish defining the shape, press enter to close and finalize the boundary. AutoCAD will immediately apply the clipping boundary and hide everything outside of that selected area. At this point, you should see only the visible portion inside your new boundary, while the rest of the object remains clipped away. If you need to adjust it later, you can simply repeat the command and redefine the boundary as needed. And that's the basic process for using clipping boundary in AutoCAD. It's a simple but powerful technique that can make your drawings look cleaner and easier to manage. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.